the best doctored up cinnamon rolls. Got one of these. It's just not enough, right? So let's make homemade icing. Starting out with a Crapperware bowl, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Never touched it with my bare hands, you see? The recipe I had called for 4 tablespoons of milk, but that actually is just 1/4 cup, okay? Don't be confused. Use milk if you want, but because we want our guests to keep coming back, we're gonna use 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 2 teaspoons of real vanilla. I just melted that butter for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Our cinnamon rolls are also done, so we're about ready to ice. Give that a good mixy. Yeah, there ain't no way you're doing that with thick icing. Can thin it out just a little bit with additional milk. And that right there is some of the best icing you ever gonna eat, ever.
I got a chocolate bunny.
The busted biscuit can of cinnamon rolls, all you have to do to doctor them up is add a little bit of heavy cream in the bottom of the pan and then sprinkle brown sugar over the top of them. Perfection.